The JC Combined Index lost over 7,000 points last week or 2%. 126 stocks traded across the main and junior markets for the week ending Friday, September 3, 2024. 33 made gains, 76 lost value, and 17 stayed the same. 320 million shares changed hands on the Jamaican dollar market, valued at $1.7 billion. Omni Industries was the week's most traded stock. It gained 5 cents to open the week at $1.15. Jamaica Producers traded the second highest. The stock lost 5% to open Monday at $21.05. And Regency Petroleum rounded out last week's most traded with 18 million shares changing hands. The stock lost 1 cent to close the week at $2.51. Newcomer R.A. Williams was the market's biggest gainer, up 29%. Cargo Handlers was the week's second biggest gainer, also up 29%. And Knutsford Express was up 17% to close the week at $10.82. On the losing side now, Radio Jamaica was the week's biggest loser. The stock lost almost 19% to open Monday at $1.04. 138 Student Living Variable Preference was down 11%. And JMMB 8.5% USD lost 12 cents to close the week at $1.08 US. Over on the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, the composite index was flat last week. Massey was the most traded stock. The stock's price was unchanged, opening Monday at $3.50 TT. Endeavour Holdings was the biggest gain of the week. The stock was up 13%, starting the week at $17 TT. And on the losing side, One Caribbean Media fell 15% to open Monday at $3.01 TT. Over in the US, the Dow Jones lost 2% last week, while the S&P 500 dipped 4% and the Nasdaq lost 5%. Motorists got a win at the pumps last week because gas prices fell $2.62. While regular diesel fell $2.06 and low sulfur diesel dipped $2.15. In foreign exchange, it took an average $158.37 Jamaican to purchase $1 last Friday. That's 34 cents more than the week before. Meanwhile, it took an average $118.85 Jamaican to purchase $1 Canadian. 1 British pound cost on average $209.20 Jamaican. And you could buy €1 for $177.61 Jamaican on average. Finally, on the crypto markets, Bitcoin prices were down almost 5% over the past 5 days, trading at $55,287 US on Monday, while Ethereum prices slid almost 6%, trading at $2,311 US on Monday.